The interesting aspects of the market and the volatility that's come out with the how long is longer when we come for higher for longer in interest rates has seen a lot of changes in equity prices, valuations, as I mentioned, volatility, particularly as you get further down the cap space. All the headlines have been on what the Magnificent Seven or Fab Five or whatever marketing term we want to use today, but the opportunities down the cap space, particularly as you get into the smaller segment or micro cap, have been surprising. What we've seen is a lot of opportunity in areas that are perhaps as far away from tech as you might, as you can consider, such as consumer discretionaries, energy of all places, and financials. There's a lot of opportunity for strong performance, strong outperformance, and the ability to capture this sort of dichotomy where we've seen interest rates pushing down on the high flyers, whether that's some of the overpriced techs, but opportunities for profit in areas that have been overlooked by markets. What's also really interesting has been the volatility around the beta, or the differences between larger cap beta and smaller cap. A lot of that opportunity set from just pure asset classes remained in the large cap, but the ability, ironically, to capture that beta or hedge that beta is cheaper on the micro cap than it is in large cap. I think that just shows the skew in demand that has just been biased towards larger cap, which means that your average investor can really go down and what might traditionally have been called bottom fishing, but I think is actually hunting for solid, overlooked fundamental companies, is very, very strong in the microcap space. What's been fun, as I said before, was this discretionary pull, this energy pull. These are areas that are actually quite small in the microcap environment, but being able to get in there and use a very strong stock selection approach is a great benefit for investors. So if we can decide what the target is from a beta perspective and either complete to or hedge fund, if I may use some more complex concepts there, also means we can turn this into a pure alpha play if that's what investors are looking for. So I think being very smart about risk control is always paramount, but getting in and getting those opportunities harvested, it's a lot of fun, but it's also a great opportunity for outperformance.